Hi, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
Who are you, Peter?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hmm, Good to know. Did you go somewhere today?
No,
You did not. Did you watch the football match between Thailand and Vietnam?
yes,
Oh, yes, you did. So can you tell me who won the game?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Wow. Okay. That's a very nice news, Peter. Okay. Now let me share my screen directly and we will have the continuation of our new lesson, which is all about your favorite outfit, Peter. Now, let us have this one. First, let us talk about colors, okay? What color is it, Peter?
Um, it's black.
Yes, that is correct. What about this one?
It's uh white.
Yes, that's right, Peter. Next one.
It's green.
Okay, yes, very good. What green thing do you have at home, Peter?
Um,
Like, for example, we have a green pail, Peter. What about you? What green thing do you have?
uh, I have a green green
Sleepy, Peter.
green apple.
Oh, a green apple. Okay, thank you. Next one, Peter. What color is it?
It's blue.
Okay, yes. What blue thing do you have in your house?
Um, it's uh um sky.
Oh, okay. Of course, the sky is blue, Peter. Okay, next one.
It's yellow.
It's a yellow. Yes, that's correct. A yellow umbrella. What about in your house, Peter? What yellow thing do you have? Or what yellow thing can we see in this world?
It's uh it's an umbrella.
Okay, a yellow umbrella. Aside from yellow umbrella, which we can see clearly on the screen, Peter, what yellow thing do you have at home? A
Um,
yellow
uh,
curtain?
a yellow 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 word.
Yellow.
A yellow word.
Oh, a yellow wall. Okay, now next one, Peter. What color is it?
It's red.
What red thing do you have?
Um, is uh is um, blood.
Huh? Okay, red blood. Of course, that is correct, Peter. You have a red blood. Okay, next one. What color is this?
Is pink.
Okay, what pink thing do you have at home?
Um, um uh, not have pink. It's not have at home.
Oh, you don't have a pink t-shirt, Peter? Pink shorts?
Pink t-shirt. Yes,
Okay, you have a pink t-shirt. Okay, now what about this one, Peter?
is orange.
Yeah, it is orange, and the name of the fruit is as well orange. Okay, what orange thing do you have at home, Peter?
Is orange.
Orange. Oh, you have an orange.
Yes.
Okay, Peter, thank you so much. Now, since you know the colors very well, there is no need for us to delve deeper to that one. Let us proceed to vocabulary. The first one, Peter, it is tight. Tight.
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say tight, Peter, it means that a certain cloth is fitting very closely to your body. Like, for example, these jeans are too tight for me. Okay, it fits her really well, Peter, or tightly. Okay, wait, let me translate that for you. Tight.
chặt,
Okay.
Okay.
Now, next one, Peter, what about loose? Loose.
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say loose, Peter, it is the opposite of tight, okay? Which means that it is large. The clothes, Peter, or certain clothes are large and it is not fitting tightly to your body, okay? It is large, not fitting tightly to your body, okay?
Okay.
Now, what about formal? Formal.
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say formal, Peter, these are the clothes that we wear for professional situations, Peter. Like, for example, attending a meeting, or like in here, a formal wedding, Peter. Okay, one example of a formal wear, it's a suit. Do you know what a suit is, right?
Mm, okay.
trang trọng,
Do you know what a
Okay.
suit is, right?
Uh,
Suit.
yes.
Okay, yes, that is an example of a formal wear, Peter. Now, next one, what about casual? Casual.
Don't know.
Oh, you don't know it as well. Now, when we say casual, Peter, it is not formal. Okay, so these are the everyday wear, Peter. Casual are the everyday clothes.
trang phục thường ngày là trang phục mặc hàng ngày.
Okay,
Okay.
everyday wear, Peter. The things that you wear every day that makes you feel comfortable wearing. Now, what about comfortable? Comfortable.
Is uh is is not uncomfortable.
Okay, yes, that is right, Peter. It is the opposite of uncomfortable, which means it is providing comfort or relaxation. You feel relaxed wearing it, okay? Or having it. Like, for example, the seats in the first class car were so comfortable, okay? It is not causing you any pain or discomfort, Peter. Now, what about uncomfortable?
It's not comfortable.
Okay, it is not comfortable, Peter, which means it is causing a slight physical discomfort or pain. Like, for example, my feet hurt after walking around in uncomfortable shoes. Okay, maybe it's too tight. That is why it is uncomfortable, Peter. Next one, what about designer? Designer.
I don't know.
When we say designer, Peter, it is made by a person or a company that is well known in the world of fashion. Okay, like Louis Vuitton. Do you know do you know Louis Vuitton, Peter?
I don't know.
Don't know it. Okay.
Được sản xuất bởi một cá nhân hoặc công ty nổi tiếng trong thế giới thời trang.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the expensive stuffs, Peter, because when we say designer, since it has a name or it's a specific brand, Peter, it is usually luxurious. Okay, very expensive, Peter. Like, for example, this LV brand, Peter.
Okay.
Okay, this one, maybe you have seen this already, Peter, Louis Vuitton. So their stuffs here, Peter, it's very expensive. May it be bags, belts, and others. Okay, so that is designer. Now, what about fashionable?
I don't know.
Okay, fashionable, Peter, it is relating to or following a style that is popular, okay, at a particular time or place. What fashion or what type of clothing is popular or famous in Vietnam now?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Now, let us have a quick review again, Peter, this time, since I've said the definition already. For sure, you can tell me its meaning on your own. What does it mean when we say loose, Peter? What
It's
is
like
loose?
tight. It's like tight.
Not like tight, it is not tight. Not tight. It's the opposite of tight, Peter. Opposite of tight. What about formal?
I don't know.
Can you give me an example of formal wear?
Uh, I don't know formal.
Why don't you know, Peter? We've talked about this one. Formal, Peter, these are the clothes that we wear in professional occasions, Peter. Like, for example, what your mom or your dad will wear if they'll be meeting a client or if they will be attending a meeting, Peter, in their office. Okay, an example of it is a suit, Peter. This one. Okay, it's a formal wear, Peter. This one.
Okay.
Okay, this is what formal wear looks like. Okay, next one now, Peter. What about designer?
Designer is um is is a pupil uh I can say it in English.
Okay, so designer, it is the person, Peter, or the company that is well known in the world of fashion. Okay. It could, when we say, remember, Peter, when we say designer, it could refer to the person or the company itself that is well known in the world of fashion because they are the ones who make clothes, Peter. Okay. Now, what about fashionable?
Fashionable is uh uh I can say it in English.
Okay, again, it is the style, Peter, of clothes that is popular. Okay. Like, for example, the popular clothes now, Peter, in the Philippines, we have a baggy pants. This one. Okay, it's very popular in the Philippines now. Baggy pants. Wait. And crop tops. Or just, yeah, crop top.
Okay.
This one is fashionable. Okay, it is popular in the Philippines right now, Peter. This is what teenagers mostly wear if they are not at school. Now, let us practice, Peter. And in here, you have to tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive, which are negative, and which can be both, Peter. Now, when we say tight, Peter, is it positive or negative?
Is positive. Is negative.
Okay. What about loose?
Is positive.
Formal?
Is positive.
Casual?
Is negative.
Oh, why is it negative, Peter?
Is positive.
Okay, it is positive, Peter, because it's the kind of clothes, Peter, that we wear every day. Don't you find the clothes that you wear every day comfortable? Because you said negative. Okay, so it's positive, Peter, because the ones that we wear every day are the ones that we find comfortable to wear. Of course, if you are at home, Peter, you will not wear the clothes that makes you feel pain, okay? Or uncomfortable, of course. Now, what about comfortable?
Is positive.
Comfortable.
Is negative.
Designer.
Is positive.
Mhm. Can you tell me, Peter, why is designer clothes positive? Why are designer clothes positive?
Because I can say it in English.
Try, Peter. Can you try? Because they are. What can you see in them that makes it positive?
Because they are because they are they are I can say it in English.
Is it because it has great quality?
Có phải vì chất lượng của nó rất tốt không?
Yes.
Okay, yes, indeed, Peter. But at the same time, Peter, it is negative because it is too expensive and not everyone can afford it, Peter. Okay, what about you? Do you prefer buying expensive things or cheap things, Peter?
Yes.
What do you prefer? Expensive or cheap?
I don't understand.
You prefer buying expensive or cheap things?
Bạn thích mua đồ đắt tiền hay đồ rẻ tiền hơn?
I choose I choose O.
You choose both?
I choose O.
Both, Peter, expensive and cheap?
I choose O because it's I choose O.
Okay, Peter, thank you so much for that. Okay, so next one, Peter, we have fashionable. Is it positive, negative, or both?
Is positive.
Okay, now, can you tell me, Peter, do you prefer wearing tight clothes or loose clothes?
I don't understand.
Do you prefer wearing tight clothes, Peter, or loose clothes?
Loose clothes.
Oh, loose clothes. Why loose clothes, Peter?
Because it's Because because it's not uncomfortable.
Okay, yes, exactly. I would agree with you, Peter, because it is not uncomfortable. Okay, thank you so much. What are you wearing now, Peter?
I'm wearing a t-shirt and a shorts.
Okay, what color is your shirt?
It's blue.
And what color are your shorts?
It's blue too.
It's blue too. Okay, so it's terno, Peter. Okay. Now, let us have exercise 3. We have here suit, Peter. Yes, Peter. Suit.
I don't know.
Oh, but I've shown you the picture of a suit earlier, Peter. The one I've shown you earlier, the one I said is formal wear.
I don't understand.
Wait, Peter. You don't understand? Okay. This one, Peter. The one I've shown you earlier. That is a suit. Suit.
Okay.
Okay. Remember, this is a suit. Okay. Suit. He is wearing a suit. So, can you tell me, can you describe what is a suit, Peter? What is a suit? It is?
It is
Mm-hmm. It is a?
it is
What?
clothes for men.
Okay, yeah, it is a clothes. These are clothes for men, Peter. Okay, or it is as well a set of formal clothes that includes a jacket with matching pants or a skirt. Okay, that is what a suit is. Okay, we as well have a suit for women, Peter, because as you can see in the definition, a matching of a jacket and skirt too. Okay, so this one right here. Now, what about dress? What is a dress?
It's clothes for men. For girls.
Okay, yes, it is a type of clothing for girls, Peter, and it usually, I mean, it covers the upper and the lower body, just like what we can see in the picture right here. Who in your family, Peter, loves to wear dress? Does your mom wear
Yes.
dresses? Oh, your mom does. Okay. What about your sister?
Your sister is don't
My
like dress.
sister doesn't like?
Yes.
Ah, okay. And that is fine, Peter. She has her own sense of fashion. Okay, next one, Peter, skirt.
Um, skirt is clothes for women and girls. For girls.
Yes, Peter, that is correct. It is for girls. It is a type of clothing that goes around the waist and covers the lower body, just like this one. She is wearing a skirt. Okay. Now, what about jeans? Jeans.
Jean is for boy and a girl.
Okay, yes, it is for both, Peter. That is right. So it is pants that are made from denim, just like what the girl is wearing right here. That is jeans. Now, what about shoe? Shoe.
Is for men and girl.
Okay, and where do we put it on?
I don't understand.
Where do we put it on? Where do we put it on?
We in legs.
Not in legs, Peter, on our.
Put.
Okay, yes, that is right, Peter. Thank you so much. That would be all it for our class today. I'll see you again tomorrow and we'll have the continuation. Goodbye, Peter. You're so handsome, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher.